Hi everyone, I'm Brian Ewell, the Master Superintendent of Uplands Golf Club. Today's video we're going to be talking about some of the work that we're going to be doing as far as course renovations. I'm standing here on the 8th green, and this particular bunker here is over 35 years old, and you can see the buildup of sand is almost 3.5 to 4 feet deep, and then the mounding on the bunkers behind us. So as we continue to work on our aged bunkers and our renovations, this one is a high priority because it's very unfair for golfers. We have some video that we captured with Jeff Mingay, our golf course architect, when he's out here late last year to discuss the work around the 8th green as well as some work on our fairway bunkers on the 6th hole as well.
Well, here, front right corner, the eighth hole. I've heard a lot of complaining about this bunker over the years. It is deep, difficult to play out of. And what we've been trying to do throughout the golf course with the plan that we've created is to present a variety of recovery shots. So the eighth hole here is a really good example. On the right-hand side, we're proposing the removal of both of these bunkers, the greenside bunkers. Um, they'll be replaced with grass banks. On the back right corner where the bunker is going to go away, it'll fall off down toward the ninth tee into rough grass. But on the right hand side of the putting surface, we're proposing to expand the fairway cut. So with the back bunker going, traffic's going to be improved. Right now, there's a couple of pinch points between the Gary Oak and the bunker at the back, and then another pinch point on the right-hand side of the green between the two bunkers. So removing the bunkers again will improve traffic flow and reduce associated wear. And again, to present a variety of recovery shots, we're going to have sand and rough left of the green, fairway cut right of the green. So just for context, the green surrounds here at the eighth hole are 35 years old. That's the last time any work has been done around the eighth green. Sand buildup over that period of time, 3 decades, has caused this front right bunker to become extremely deep. Again, it'll be filled in and we'll contour the right-hand side of the green all the way around the back corner, expand fairway down the slope on the right. In order to accommodate that fairway expansion, we're going to have to do 2 other things as well. The fir trees right of the green are going to have to be removed. That again will allow us to expand fairway right of the green and shift the cart path a little bit further away from play. Um, where occurs when there's pinch points coming into greens where golfers and maintenance traffic come in, in narrow, relatively narrow sections. That creates compaction and other associated problems relative to traffic. So by removing the 2 bunkers right of the green, we're really going to open up a wide area for again golfers and maintenance equipment. So here, the bunkers short left of the green, just beyond the sequoia, will be eliminated. There'll be no sand here. It'll just be tie into the surrounding ground, which will create a little bit of undulation here that make it return it basically to what it was originally, natural ground, natural terrain. The front left bunker, more signs of 35 years in service, large sand buildup on these bunker edges on the green side from years and years of sandblast from shots. We're going to tone that down. We're also going to eliminate these little channels that run through the bunker here. These are maintenance challenges. These small areas, they create some playability issues. With no bunkers on the right-hand side of the green anymore, the goal is to make this left bunker a spectacle. It's going to be one of the biggest bunkers on the golf course when we're done. We're going to take it closer to the green edge. We're going to pull the bunker away from the Gary Oak trees on the left. So it'll be more greenside and further away from the trees, and widen out these areas where these little canals are. So looking down the 8th hole, this left greenside bunker is really going to be the spectacle of the hole. And it'll tie into the fairway bunkers that we're also proposing to do at some point.
Hi everyone, once again we're here with Jeff Mingay, our golf course architect, and we're looking to do some work in September on the fairway bunkers here on the right of number 6. We've had some problems with these bunkers or the design of it, and I'd like Jeff to share his vision and future of what he sees for this work here on the right of number 6 fairway. Jeff.
Yeah, part of looking at the entire golf course involved trying to create different scenarios at different holes. Um, So in other words, we just don't want every tee shot to be challenged by a bunker right, a bunker left. We want to do some different things and create the opportunity to challenge golfers with different shots. So there's a number of issues with these bunkers, the way they were originally constructed. Um, there's some playability issues involved with these bunkers currently. So the proposal here is actually to get rid of the sand bunkers. And what we'll do is we'll eliminate the bunker, but reshape these mounds into more interesting features. So there still will be a hazard on the inside of the dog leg at number 6. It just will not be bunkers.
Once again, Jeff, I think this will provide a nice change in character, not just always fairway bunkers, but just different undulations, different characteristics of the golf course. So this will be a nice addition as we start to do this work sometime in September, and we'll keep you posted. As you can see with Jeff Mingay's commentary, he has a great understanding of golf courses of our era on restoring what Uplands Golf Club should be. In this particular case, removing this fairway bunker and the second one, a bunker far too deep in order to approach the green, and having something more subtle landscape in this particular area. We are going to plan to expand our 6 tee by adding another tee deck between the blue tee deck and the gold tee deck on Monday, May 17th. And then the work around our 8th green and the work around the 6th hole will start on Monday, May 31st. Take approximately 5 to 7 working days in order to do both of these projects, but these will be fantastic improvements for all the members here at Uplands Golf Club. Happy golfing, everyone.